Ever wondered how to make the most out of a small gardening space? Welcome to the world of vertical gardening, a unique method that lets you maximize your limited space by growing plants upwards, not outwards. But don't let the name deceive you. This technique isn't just for small spaces. Vertical gardening also adds a unique aesthetic to any garden, regardless of its size. So, whether you're working with a petite patio or a sprawling lawn, vertical gardening can be a game changer for those seeking a unique garden aesthetic. Now, how can you create your own vertical garden? Let's dive right in. First and foremost, you need a strong support structure. Whether you choose a wall, a trellis, or a custom-built frame, remember that it must be sturdy enough to carry the weight of your plants and their watering needs. Next, it's time to select your plants. Choose the ones that thrive in your climate and suit your aesthetic. Some great options are ferns, succulents, or colorful flowering vines. And don't forget, diversity is the key to a vibrant garden. The final step is the maintenance. Regular watering and feeding are essential. But be careful, overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering. And remember, vertical gardens need a good amount of sunlight, so ensure your garden is positioned well. With these steps, you're now equipped to start your own vertical garden. Ready to grow your garden sky high? Vertical gardening is a vibrant way to transform your green space, maximizing every inch and boosting your bounty. Beyond the practical, it's a visual treat, adding layers of lushness to any landscape. So why not give it a whirl? Discover the joy of reaching new heights with your horticultural pursuits. Give vertical gardening a shot and don't forget to share your experiences. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.